Hey guys, today I'm going to review a very different product from the ones that I have been reviewing in the past. But first let me thank the Resell Chemicals Private Limited for sending the product for this video. And with that being said, let's get started, shall we? This is Klenza Max Hand Sanitizer, which comes in this sort of flip cap transparent bottle. Well, it's a new product from the Klenza. By the way, they have a wide range of personal hygiene and care products which are available in gel, spray, liquid or foam form. And I'm gonna review these products in my coming videos, so make sure you subscribe to our channel if you haven't done yet. Now looking at the bottle label, it says 99.99% germ kill and antibacterial protection. This hand sanitizer has moisturizer in it, so it is gentle on hands and gives an instant and long lasting protection. And to top it all, they have used a unique silver technology by using colloidal silver as the main ingredient here. This is a 50 ml pocket friendly and travel friendly bottle which comes for the MRP of 65 rupees. However, they are also available in more economical bigger bottles for home and office purpose. The product has a shelf life of 18 months from the date of manufacturing. Take few drops on your palm and rub your hand briskly until it dry. No need to use water thereafter and just leave it like that. Klenza Max Hand Sanitizer kills 99.9% of germs instantly without water. You can use it anytime, anywhere. You can carry it in your car, office, handbag, picnic, nappy change, travel and sports. It leaves your hand refreshed and well moisturized, and you can use it as often as required. I've been actually using this product for over 2 weeks now and I'm completely satisfied by it. My hands feel germ free and moisturized after its application. It has this mild fragrance which I quite like. It is a little viscous gel and thick in its consistency, but it is very light when applied on the hands. The fact that the product can be used anywhere, anytime makes it very useful product for those who are too much worried about keeping their hands always germ free, and also because it is the need of time. Well, that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, do hit the like button, share this video with your friends and family, and like always, the best buy link for this product will be below in the description. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter, and also join our Telegram channel for amazing offers and deals. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for awesome content. This is Amit signing off, and I'll see you guys in the next video.